Hello. Little bit different thing today. We have got one of these bad boys, which Osmo Pocket. No, Osmo Action 3. I've got an Osmo Pocket as well. We have got this because I'm hoping to do most of these videos on this bad boy, because normally I use my iPhone with a microphone plugged into it. Now I can plug a microphone into this without having to buy any other special kit, because I've already got an adapter for it. Whereas with the Pocket, I believe you've got to get a special adapter, and the camera that I'm filming on now, which is an Insta360, you've got to get a special adapter as well. But I've also got digital SLRs, and the mics are used for that, and I don't want special adapters for something I'm not really going to be using a massive amount of, but this I probably will be using a little bit more of. Right, so anyway, brand new in the box. This is how it comes. So we get a Osmo Action 3, pop it down there, nothing else there, little box to open up there. We've got some DJI stickers if you want to stick them on your car, your bike, your crash helmet, wherever you want to stick them. Bit of silica gel, let's get rid of that, gone. Batteries, pop them down there. Charging cable, which I'm probably not going to use. I'll leave that in there because I've got loads of these charging cables, probably a little bit better than that. The case, sorry, not case, it is a case, it's cage, that's the one. So cage and a spare ring which goes around there, which I'll pop him back in there. And then we've got the clip-on mount that is connected to this bit already, so you can put this in your car, I guess. So that is, oh okay, so that's a permanent mount there, so I won't really be using that. Let's pop him there, and your instructions or destructions or destructions, whatever you like to call them. I'm not going to need them because your quick start guide is all here, and it's not particularly hard, is it? Right, I am going to be using the this bit, magnetic mount. That can go in there because I've not really got much use for that. A permanent mount on the windscreen of my car that I'm probably going to end up selling. Anyway, let's get those stickers back in there as well. Don't need those. Let's oh, hang on, one more thing we've got to put away. This bad boy. Oh, it's not going back in there very well, is it? Right, there we go. So that's back in there. I'm gonna keep this open because I want to put the wrapper in there for the lovely Action 3. There we go. So that's quite nice and easy to take out of there. Let's just seal it back how it sort of was, so it go in there nice and easy. There we go. And the old lens cappy thing. That's a pretty smart looking little camera. There we go, look. There we go. It's about the size of a GoPro Hero 7, which I do have, but I haven't got it to hand. Not sure where I've put it. The cameras this sort of size are so small, you never know where you've put them. Right, so you've got to, oh, it goes up, okay. So you've got to press a little tab, and then this bit goes up, and then your battery goes in there. So let's pop him in. Good thing with these cameras, unlike a lot of other cameras, this lens part is removable, so if you damage it, scratch it, you just buy another one, and they're quite nice and cheap. So let's power him on. I've got the DJI app already. Yeah, very good. I should have kept that mount out, shouldn't I? Because then I could have just propped the camera on it. Let's turn it on. is it a hold or is it a, there we go, a long click, there we go. So it's, that screen's locked by the looks of it. There we go, we're going to go into setup mode. I'll tell you what, give me a second. I am going to turn the camera off and we will get a sort of view on shot. Give me just a sec. So here we go, we've got a better view of it now. English. Right, okay, so down, scan QR, so let me just grab my phone. And I believe this should automatically go into my, there we go, takes you to the web page. So it says download. I'm pretty sure I've got the right program already. Yes, I have. Open. So there we go. You get all that. And device found, Osmo device. Let's get a quick look here. Connect, searching, and then you get your little accept or reject. So we're going to accept that and agree to all this rubbish. Allow access, yeah, you can have a look at whatever. There's nothing there. Right, there's my account. That's an old account from my other device. Right, confirm. That needs to be reset. And what is the date today? Give me a second. It is the 7th. Oh, quite a nice click. So you can see this. Oh, come on. Device is a 2003 2 device. Okay. There we go. And oh, have I selected the DJI refresh? Verify DJI. Oh, silly thing. Right, click here to activate. If you purchase, no, I haven't. So, oh, skip. So, right, I know you don't have to have that. So let's go over there. We've not got a massive amount of battery on this, but it's meant to be really quick to charge, and I do have a quick charger to hand. Questionnaire? No, let's not do that at the moment. I can do it later. Pretty sure I've probably done something like that already with my other device. And get started. Instructions. Actually, I don't know all of this. So I'm going to zoom through it all. You lot can have a look and then I'll figure it out later like I normally do. Right, okay, lovely, thank you very much. And there's a firmware upgrade. Yes, we do know that. Currently connected to a mobile network. Yeah, I do have to use that, so that's probably going to take ages. So let's see how long that takes. It takes a little while to download to the phone. It's not too bad. We'll leave it on there. We'll let it click on and do whatever it needs to do for a minute. Have a quick look round the camera. So that's the battery door. That's your little connecting bits for the this thing, thingamabob. I would have rather that had like a screw on the bottom for like a tripod mount, because then it's a lot more. You can do a lot more with it then. I'm going to have to fix the tripod mount thing that I've got to that, but it's better if it's directly on there, or if it just had one here instead of, you know, so you could have a choice. So you've got another port here. If I can open it, there we go. And there's your USB. Does that stay open? Not very well. USB-C, so you can attach your microphones there or just charge it up from there. I'm going to leave that open and give me just a second. I'm going to get the other wire. And this is on a fast charge. I'm not sure if this wire's fast charge though, so, and it is a DJI wire, so it should be absolutely fine. There's no memory card in this yet. I did forget to get that out. Oh, it's got 30. There we go. Supercharging, just like a Tesla. It's not very good. Is that not connecting properly? There we go. He's charging up now. Right, and we are at, on this, 47%, 50. When it gets to 50, it then goes to for you to install it into the camera. So if we press this one here, so hopefully, oh, the device isn't connected. Why isn't the device connected? That's right, that's what it's going to do. There we go, there's the Osmo there, so we'll press that there. Sorry about the glare from the window behind. Yeah, we'll join that, and this should be the update for the 10-bit colour. I'm hoping, otherwise it's going to be another one after this. So we are connected, and there we go, we are cooking on gas. That's right, gas, not electric. Trust me, things cooked by gas, a lot nicer. Try it if you've never tried it. Doesn't dry your food out. Here we go, 75%. Wait 2 minutes, eh? That's not good. Still waiting the 2 minutes. Come on. Come on, Osmo. Come on. I just thought I haven't got a case for this to carry around. I probably have got a case it'll fit into. I've got loads of them. 2 minutes, 86%. Shamon. Yeah, 10-bit. Right, so it's added HDR video to shooting modes, wider dynamic range, 10-bit video, enhanced image quality are enabled by default when recording HDR video. Added shoot 10-bit video cine-like. That's pretty cool. Gives you a better color grading for post-production, blah blah blah. Added enhanced image quality video. It's going to go off now, isn't it? What I'm actually, oh, it's still letting me read it. Added time code for synchronizations. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, and oh yeah, oh, added on the go connection, Android devices, data transfer. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it'll work on Apple. Right, so we are done. The mode, reset right after the firmware update. Right, close that. Device connection, searching, found, join. And it looks like the battery is going down, so I don't think this is charging very well. It's the cable on this. I have issues with it anyway. There we go. No SD card. We know this, unfortunately. So there we go. There's the sort of image playback on. Oh, hang on. You've got to press all this, haven't you? Yeah, it's what it is, isn't it? It's an action camera. I wonder if it's tapped. They tapped. Oh, I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, that is the setup of this little bad boy. Let me just close my phone down. And I think it's pretty cool. I got this because I'm gonna. Oh no, there we go. It's charging properly now. I'm going to connect my microphone. Oh, there's my mate on Xbox, as he's always on it all the time. It's a bit sad, isn't it? I'm going to connect my microphone, so I'm going to actually try that out in just a second. As you can see, my cable is such good quality. It must have a loose connection somewhere. It just disconnected and connected back up. I get that when I plug other devices into it. Anyway, I have got to... motion detected at the annex door. There we go. Alexa's off on one again. Connect my other device back up to my phone so I can turn it off, because once you stick it in Wi-Fi mode you can't turn it off with a button, which is really frustrating. But here we go. Is it gonna come on? There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hang on, let's see if I can get my hands around it. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.